North Cypress Medical Center is a 92-bed hospital with state-of-the-art technology located at Highway 290 in Huffmeister in Cypress, Texas. The hospital provides all the modern conveniences in a neighborhood setting. When you walk into the hospital and head to the information center, you're greeted by staff and hospital volunteers that can direct you to your destination. If you're visiting someone, you can stop by the gift shop to purchase flowers, gifts, or even a card. And when you need a break, Jasmine's Cafe offers the perfect solution, allowing you to grab a bite without leaving the hospital. And this is just the beginning. Our patient rooms were designed with you in mind. All of our rooms are private and are equipped with luxurious wood grain interior, spacious private bathrooms, and flat-screen TVs. We even offer room service dining where you can order what you want and when you want it. Our 6 operating room suites have the highest level of technology. Doctors are supported by experienced surgical nurses and technicians. We specialize in a variety of surgeries, including ENT, open heart, orthopedics, spine, surgical weight loss, and general surgery. We offer 13 private holding rooms for those undergoing outpatient surgery. Our endoscopy suites provide the latest equipment and highly trained staff to meet your needs. Our 21-bed emergency room is always open and is staffed by doctors, nurses, and paramedics. Specialty physicians are always on call. The ER is equipped with the latest technology, 3 trauma rooms, and a dedicated radiology suite. Plus, we offer our patients a fast-track program for those minor emergencies. It's open every day from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Our 20-bed intensive care unit is staffed by the area's leading critical care and specialty physicians. The ICU's semicircular design allows the nursing staff to easily access and supervise the patients. All patients have private rooms and are connected to high-end monitoring equipment. The cardiac catheterization lab is staffed by leading and experienced cardiologists, cardiothoracic surgeons, and nurses. The lab is all digital and offers diagnostic catheterizations of the heart, permanent pacemaker insertion, stent placement, and more. A cath lab team is always on call. They work closely with area EMS and paramedics and come into the hospital when needed at any time. It's good to know that if you need them, they are there. Our Total Joint and Spine Center is staffed by leading orthopedic surgeons who focus on total joint replacement and spine surgery. All joint replacement patients attend an educational class prior to surgery. An in-house physical therapy gym promotes a healthy recovery. In addition, we offer monthly seminars. Our hospital offers visitors and patients a quiet place to pray or reflect. The chapel is located off the lobby and is open to everyone regardless of faith. Patients can also request that the hospital contact a member of their clergy, or they can visit with one of the many faith-based volunteers. When you walk out of the hospital, the professional building is just across the driveway. It's home to the Cancer Center, Breast Center, Cardiac Rehab, and much more. Come on, let me show you around. Located on the first floor, the PET CT scan center allows doctors to detect cancer or other diseases at a very early stage. The whole body scan generates high-resolution images of abnormal activity and its exact location. The scan detects diseases earlier and more accurately than other imaging technology like ultrasounds or MRIs. Our Cancer and Radiation Oncology Center allows you to get your cancer treatments close to home. Our motto is high-tech and high-touch. We provide advanced technology and warm, supportive service. We offer image-guided radiation therapy, intensity-modulated radiotherapy, 3-dimensional conformal therapy, body radiosurgery, prostate seed implant therapy, and high-dose rate temporary implants. We also have our own internal infusion center for chemotherapy. Plus, we offer support groups and a cancer resource center staffed by the American Cancer Society. The Women's Breast Center uses digital mammography and offers a variety of other diagnostic procedures such as breast MRI and breast-specific gamma imaging. These choices allow the doctors to detect early stages of cancer and breast abnormalities. Radiologists use special computer software to get an even more accurate reading. At the Sleep Center, we monitor and evaluate your sleep patterns in one of our 6 relaxing bedrooms. We treat many disorders, including sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, periodic limb movements of sleep, insomnia, narcolepsy, and circadian rhythm disorders. Plus, we offer sleep-related seminars. The Cardiac Rehabilitation Center is a multidisciplinary, medically supervised program. Patients are given individualized exercise, education, and lifestyle programs. It's the perfect center for those recovering from a heart attack, heart bypass surgery, angioplasty, heart valve surgery, and heart transplant. Monthly support group meetings give patients even more education about leading a heart-healthy lifestyle. As you can see, North Cypress Medical Center has everything you need for your total health care. We have specialty centers, advanced technology, and highly trained doctors and staff. Only one hospital cares for you like we do.